Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and good morning first off. And today I'm gonna be filming a what I eat in a day. I asked you guys on my Instagram if you guys would want to see a what I eat in a day, and a lot of you said yes, so here I am. So today I'm gonna be showing you everything that I eat in a day, of course, and all of these meals are gonna be very healthy and very like protein rich and good for your body basically. Before we get into the video, I just want to clarify that I do eat junk food and like other stuff as well sometimes, but not every single day or on a daily basis. I am somebody who has actually converted basically to a healthy person, and I like to eat a lot of home cooked meals, and I make my breakfast myself, I make my dinner myself. My lunch is cooked by my mom, but other than that everything else I make myself. So I'm going to be showing you really good recipes in this video, so if you like anything and try anything, let me know and like tag me on Instagram so that I can see them and let me know how you like them. Also, I'm somebody who has had a problem of binge eating in past, and I don't have that anymore. Right now I have a really good relationship with food and everything is good, and yeah, I eat to fuel my body, not to fuel my emotions anymore. Just wanted to put it out there and let you know. So let's start this video, and I'm gonna start this video by telling you the most important thing, the thing that I do like the moment I wake up, and that is to drink a hell lot of water the moment I wake up. Like, I woke up today at around 9 a.m. and I drank this whole thing till here. This is a 1 liter bottle, got it from Amazon. I will link it down below for you. But yeah, I drank that much, and you must be wondering that why is the water green? It's green because of this. I use liquid chlorophyll, like 1 tablespoon of liquid chlorophyll in my water, because it's supposed to be really good for your skin and health. So I take this every single day, like I never miss. So it's really good for you. So that's the first thing that I do. And now it's almost 11 a.m. and now I'm about to make my breakfast, and today I'm gonna be making some protein pancakes. So, and they're gonna be like really yummy. So let's get started. This angle is like not serving. I think I'm gonna have to get myself a stool or something. Perfect. Okay, so let's get started with the protein pancakes for breakfast. And first off, I'm gonna let you know I'm gonna use some butter. Like, this is literally the tiniest bit of butter. It might look like a lot to you on the camera, but it is like not a lot. It's just like a thin slice, super. And I'm gonna melt this quickly. So I'm back with my melted butter over here, and now you're gonna need 1 cup of oats. I just used the plain Quaker oats, and now I'm gonna grind it and like convert it into oat flour. So here's me just grinding my oats to make oat flour, and yeah, enjoy the skip. Okay, so I've gotten everything over here. This is my flour, I have my melted butter, and how we're gonna get started is we're gonna need a bowl, of course. I'm just gonna put my melted butter in it first, then all the flour that I had made. After that, you're gonna need 2 eggs. Also, I think I forgot to tell you, but you can skip butter if you want to. I have made these pancakes without butter as well in past, but they just will be a little dry and a little hard to swallow. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of baking powder, not like a lot, I'm just gonna like eyeball it. And I have this knife over here with me, and this much. Don't put too much thinking that it will rise more if you put more, because I've made this mistake in past and they have come out so bitter and like really bad. So don't put too much of the baking powder. Next, I'm gonna put a little bit of protein powder in here. I use this one from Muscle Blaze. This is their Biozyme range, and it's in the chocolate flavor, and I really like it. I'm just gonna put like half a scoop of this in this. Next is a little bit of vanilla syrup. I get mine from Amazon, and just like a little bit, just to make them a little sweeter, not too much, because well, health is what we are focusing on over here. I don't restrict myself. I don't like to do that, because the more I restrict myself from having something, the more I'm gonna crave it. So those were all the ingredients, and now I'm just gonna use a whisk and like mix it all together until it becomes like a paste. And if it's like not forming a paste, then you can always add a little bit of water to it. I'm just gonna mix it, and then I'll see you when I'm actually cooking it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cook my pancakes, so let's go. Hi, so currently I'm in my drawing room and I'm about to have my pancakes and they look really good and I know they're gonna taste amazing because like I've had them like a million times before. And I'm also watching a YouTube video right here on my iPad. I'll show you which one. This is what I'm watching. It's a video from Ava Jules. I mean, you all know how much I love this girl, so of course I'm watching her video. So I'm gonna eat my pancakes, watch this video, and then I'll see you for whatever we eat next. It is probably gonna be coffee though, just a hint. So I'm gonna go now because I'm like really hungry, so see you later. So we're back again in the kitchen and we're gonna make some coffee. It's been 2 hours since my breakfast, so I am like really hungry right now. So I'm gonna have a coffee right now and then in around 30 minutes or like an hour I'm gonna have my lunch. So let's quickly make this coffee. Although I've made my coffee like 1,000 times before in my videos, but let's just do it again because you guys keep asking for it. Okay, so the coffee that I use is this coffee, Rage Coffee, in the flavor butterscotch. By the way, I got my nails done yesterday and I'm like obsessed. These are like French tips. So I'm gonna take 1 tablespoon of this coffee, or maybe like a little more than 1 tablespoon. Then a little bit of water, and then I'm gonna froth it until it becomes like a cream, basically whipped cream kind of thing. This is basically like the whipped coffee but like in reverse. There we go, it completely looks like cream. Next is we're gonna put a lot of ice in here. I'm just gonna fill it to the brim. Now we're gonna put a lot more water. So if you've seen me making my coffee in any of my other vlogs, you would have seen that I put a lot of milk in my coffee, but I've stopped doing that and now I put a lot of water. And then I'm going to use a little bit of milk, not the whole entire thing, just a little bit. Then some vanilla syrup. I cannot compromise on this. So I've tried some like sugar-free vanilla syrups and I just cannot. They taste really bad. Now we're gonna mix it. It tastes amazing. Amazing. It looks so good. It tastes so yummy. And by the way, if you're wondering why my skin is glowing like that, it's not glowing. That is sweat because it's like really hot in this kitchen. So I'm gonna go and I'll see you guys when I am having my lunch because that is gonna be cooked by my mom. So see you soon. Hey guys, so it's lunchtime and this is my basic Indian lunch. I have 2 rotis, some sabzi that my mom made. I think it's tori. I don't like it, but what choice do I have? I have some buttermilk, some gur, and this is gonna be my lunch. My lunch is like my most like basic meal, and like my exciting meals are my breakfast and my dinner. So yeah, and I still have some of my coffee left. So yeah, and I'm gonna have my lunch and then we'll meet for like a little snack in a little bit. And while I'm eating, I'm playing some PlayStation with my brother. There you go. So yeah, and every single day, this is actually what my lunch looks like every day. Only the sabzi changes. Sometimes it's rajma, then sometimes it's dal or something like that, but it is always kind of healthy. So yeah, I will see you in a little bit. Hello and back again in the kitchen. Right now it's around 5:20 p.m. and I am hungry again. So I thought it's time for a little snack, and I'm gonna be making some egg sandwiches, like egg sandwich for me and then paneer sandwiches for my family. So that's what we're gonna do, and trust me, these sandwiches are like super healthy and really good for you. So I was just about to make my sandwiches, and for that you're gonna be needing some cucumber, some tomatoes, onion, and then you're gonna need bread of your own choice. I'll be using some brown bread. You're gonna need mayonnaise. And if you're making like an egg sandwich, then you're gonna need some scrambled eggs or paneer, your choice completely. I'm just gonna quickly slice everything, like all the veggies, and then we'll talk. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. I look like I just cried because I kind of did. These onions are making it hard for me. Okay, so I have sliced all of my vegetables and I've sliced my paneer and I have egg for myself, and let's get started with the actual preparation of sandwiches. So as I told you, I'm gonna be using some brown bread. Okay, so the step number 1 is to apply mayonnaise, and I'm using this one from Fun Foods. So I'm gonna be coating both the slices with a little bit of, not a little bit, but like not too much as well, of mayonnaise. Then we're gonna be putting on some cucumber on it quickly. I'm gonna be putting 4 slices on one side. Tomatoes. Like this literally looks so good right now. Then I'm gonna be putting on some paneer. And then some onion rings. Not the whole slice because I just don't like it when the whole slice just come into my mouth. It tastes really bad, so some onion rings. Maybe like 3, and then that's literally it. I'm gonna be putting egg in mine, of course. And then I'll just cut it from the center. And there we go. I'm just gonna make a couple more. So I'm gonna time lapse and then I'll show you the final product. Hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Okay, hello. So we're done with making these sandwiches, and now I'm gonna be taking these inside and then I'm gonna eat them with my family, and I'll see you guys later. Hi guys, so it's a lot later now. It is 10:30 p.m. right now. I'm like updating you guys after a long time. But as for dinner, I'm not gonna be having anything like heavy because I have a reason for that. I went out with my mom and dad in the evening and we all got some sugarcane juice. It was really yummy and it literally filled me up so much, so I didn't really require heavy dinner today. So for dinner, or maybe like you can call it snack, I'm just gonna be having some popcorn that my brother made, and I just came out of the shower. I'm pretty sure you can tell by my clothes they're different. I'm kind of in my PJs. This is something I wear to go to sleep, and yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I'm having for kind of like dinner. And one more thing, before I sleep, my mom always gives me a big glass of milk. Not a big glass, but like a regular glass of milk. There is no way I can skip that. My mother won't let me. So I've tried many times, and yeah, that is gonna be like everything that I eat in a day. And I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video and liked these meals. If you do end up trying any of these, then tag me on Instagram, text me or anything, like DM me, and I would love to see you guys try the meals that I made in this video. And now I'm gonna go eat my popcorn and watch something on Netflix. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, then like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and comment down below which healthy meal or which meal you ended up liking. Breakfast is my personal favorite, and subscribe to my channel because that really helps me to grow, and it really motivates me to keep posting videos for you guys. So do not forget to do that. And I'm also thinking of filming a self-care routine or like a self-care video kind of thing. So if you are interested in that, then let me know down below. Like, it's been a while. I am in need of a self-care pamper session, so let me know if you would want to see that. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, and I really love you. Bye.